In this video I'm going to show what's inside the JD Jetting kit for Keihin PWK 38mm carburetors fitted with STIC metering blocks. Each JD Jetting stick kit contains two needles. There's a blue needle, which is a richer needle, and a red needle, which is leaner. And then three main jets, so 200, 190 and 180, and a 50 pilot jet. And this instruction sheet is also included, and it details baseline settings for 125, 150, 250 and 300 most cycles. And it includes two baseline settings, one for 0 to 6,000 feet, which is about 1,800 meters, and the other setting is above 6,000 feet. If you'd like to purchase this JD Jetting kit, I do have them in stock on the Tokyo Off-Road webshop, and I'll provide a link in the description of this video.